What's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel Chaos. Today in this video I'm going to do a simple unboxing video of a gaming keyboard. So starting with the unboxing part, I have to tell you that this keyboard price is just 1400 rupees, which you can buy from amazon.in. I will provide the link in the description, so you can go to the description and you can click on that link so that you can buy this keyboard. This keyboard is basically a gaming keyboard with RGB settings so that you have a backlight colors. The name of this keyboard is Zebronics. The Zebronics transformer the keyboard name is. So let's start the unboxing part. So as you can see, the first happens is the booklet in which all the information is given, that how to turn on the lights as well as how to turn off the lights and how to change the brightness, how to change the timer setting of the RGB coloring lightings, as well as you can see the keyboard which is pretty good and basic. As you can see on the sides, there have been given a metallic strip on which the Zebronic transformer name has been written, and some engraving has also been done on this keyboard. Pretty cool. Then they have been provided mouse. The mouse is 5 volt 500 milliamp DC voltage, as well as it has 4 click buttons so that you can easily play games, as well as the DPI of this mouse is 3200 DPI, so which is also a pretty good mouse in. So friends, let's connect it to our personal computer and see that how it's performed and how let's see that how the keyboard as well as the mouse will perform. So connecting it to PC is very pretty simple, as they have a USB ports. So directly connect it to your USB ports in your PC provided, and you can start the keyboard as well. Mouse has been started. You can see that the lights are pretty decent. There are 3 basic combinations of light you can see, like when you press the bulb button near FN button, you can see that you can click and you can change the different settings of this light. You can change the brightness, you can change the timing for this color RGBs, as well as the mouse is pretty cool. It has a perfect sensitive mouse, as well as whenever you will play any games, it will perform a best task. So friends, this was a simple unboxing video of a Zebronics transformer gaming keyboard. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video. And thank you friends. Hasta la vista.